Hello everyone, welcome to another chapter of Multisim. Today we are going to be considering the Multisim user interface. As we all know that user interface of anything is very important, it is good for us to know how to navigate and use all their functions. Okay, I have my slide containing a labeled snapshot of Multisim. I labeled some parts in small letters. Let's start with A. A is called the title bar, and its main function is to display the name of your file. B is the menu bar, contains all commands of all functions of the program. C is the standard toolbar, containing commonly used functions like save, print, cut, and paste. Then we have D is the component toolbar. It is used to select components from the Multisim database. The main toolbar is used commonly for common functions. And we have the simulation toolbar, which is used to start, stop, and pause the simulation. Then H, in H we have in place probe toolbar, containing buttons to place different kinds of probes in your circuit, like volt probe, current probe, watt probe. The view toolbar is also used to modify what is displayed on your screen, like you can use it to check the whole real estate of your workspace. Then we have J. The J is the instrument toolbar. It contains basic components like oscilloscope, function generator, multimeter, ammeter, and so on. Then we have K, which is your workspace. This is where you use to build your design. Then the in use list contains the list of all components used in your workspace. So with this, we have seen the basics of the user interface. So the next slide, we are going to explore it in the Multisim workspace. Thank you.